Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. And today this is going to be a very short and quick update. I'm just going to be doing the greenhouse today. So I'm just going to give you a quick update on what our pasting table and the stuff that we have. So we've got some lettuce coming up. You can see here we've got two ones there, and we've got more around. So we've got some over the back here. So they're actually doing quite well. And as I move along, we've got some. Sorry guys, let me just look and see what this is quickly. And thanks for all the support recently, guys. We're up to 5 subscribers now. And if you guys want to support me, what you can do is you can go down, you can subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, and don't forget to share with your friends, your family, anyone in these times that you think will enjoy doing a bit of gardening in their garden, even if it's a small space. But I've just discovered that this is our monstru that we planted quite a little while ago now. But you can see here, you can see some shoots coming up. You can see a little baby shoot coming up, but the monstru's doing really well. So as we move along, I believe this is spring onion, and you can see a few spring onions coming up. Not too many, but you can see a few as we move along. Sorry guys, it's a bit hard to step in the greenhouse right now as we don't really have a lot of storage. So we've got some beetroot here. You can see we've got some beetroot, and so the beetroot actually is doing really well at the moment. We've got two. As we do with every seed that we plant, we multi-sow to make the most out of our space, because at the moment we're having to be a little bit cautious about how many we put in, how many we want to multi-sow, just because at the moment it's quite difficult to get hold of trays. But we've been quite good recently, and we've been able to. So as we move over, we've got some more monstru, and I think this is actually the one that we planted on a video. But you can see here it's getting quite big. We've got a bit of a new sprout coming up by the looks of it. You can see, I'll try to get my finger out of the way, as you can see just there. We've also got some spinach, and I'll just give you a quick little thing on that. So there's our spinach. We've got some cauliflower in this one here. So as you can see, so we haven't got anything from those two yet. But like I said, not everything germinates, so we're just gonna do our best. But as I move along, we've got some. We've got some pepper. I don't know if you can see that, but we've got some pepper in here. So not many of things have germinated, but we did plant this recently. You can see one there, and you can see one there. Sorry guys, my camera works very dodgy today. Oh, there's one there, and there's one there that you guys can see. I can't because I'm behind the camera. As we move along, let me just try get the angle on this correct. Yeah, right. This one here, we've got some swede. Sorry guys, I'm really dodgy with this camera work. You can see some sprouts coming up, but as I move along, oh god, so this is going to be quite sketchy because I'm going to have to be stepping over something now. So as you can see, we've got a variety of different things. I think they're mostly cucumber. If we go over here, I don't know what's in here. We haven't got a label in for this one here, but we must have some seeds in there if we've got a tray of soil in and it's in our greenhouse. So we must stepping over our trusty old watering can here. So you can see we've got some leeks in this one here. And if I come out a little bit, I'm still trying to get used to this camera work, malarkey. But you can see here, I've got one here. And the weather hasn't been really good, so the greenhouse has been quite home to a lot of things right now. The leeks haven't really got much, the other leeks. So you can probably, I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see a little shoot there. And if I move backwards, I can see a little shoot there, and there. So they're slowly starting to germinate. we'd hopefully make them a bit quicker. But as you can see, our trusty old watering can it's become a bit of a one-liner in this channel. And so here we have some things that haven't germinated yet. I'll get the stick and I'll show you guys what we've got in here. The stick doesn't have a label on it, but we've got something in here. I can't tell you guys. Once we find out, I'll put what it is in the description below. But if we move over, we've got some cucumber in our box. And we've potted most of these on. That's why they're a little bit less than what you remember them. But I'll just move on to the courgettes. And as you can see, we've got quite a lot. And so some of them have got 5 to 6 leaves on now. So we're going to be potting them on. Into not potting them on. Putting them into our bed. So we're not putting these in our no dig bed. We will put them in our raised beds. I think this will be the best option. But so there's our courgettes, and as we move this way, you can see here we've got some broccoli. So that's doing really well right now. As we move over, you will see some leeks, and leeks seem to be doing really well. This is our first year of planting leeks, so it's a bit of a new thing to us, but they seem to be doing really well. Same as the courgettes, as I just showed you. We planted these last year as well, so whatever we're doing with our courgettes, we're doing correctly, obviously. And we've got some squash here. This is broccoli. I think one of us has put the wrong label on. Yeah, this is broccoli. Sorry about that. I can see squash on the label. That's why. We've got some broccoli. We've got cucumber. We've got cucumber again. Cucumber there. Cucumber there. So this is what we potted on. Oh, that pot's getting a bit in the way. So we've got courgette all around, and we've got our melon here. Nothing's coming through. You can see a leaf. That isn't the melon at all. We've got 3 of these. And as I just step, we've got some more broccoli. We've got some squash. We've got, I think all of this is squash. Oh no, one of them is broccoli. As you can see, we've got our fuchsia. And so the reason why this is in here right now is because we don't really have a space for it. Down here, it hasn't got a label, but they look like they could be chili peppers. So we'll go with that for the moment, but I'll put the actual name down in the description below. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to slam that notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I upload my videos. But that's it for this Grow Your Imagination upload. Keep safe everyone, and thanks for all the support recently. Bye.